Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the focus status sharing in messages on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to the focus. Here you are going to find messages. So if you turn on, off, and you're not going to share your focus status with the messages, so other people are not going to see if you have the focus mode on or off. But if you turn on this, it is going to be as normally it is. So if you have the focus mode on and someone sends you a message, and they are going to get a notification that you have the focus mode on and you have silenced the notifications. So now it is on, the focus status sharing, and now it is off with the messages. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!